Welcome to A Creative. This is web design for beginners. Every great website is built on strong foundations. Every great website has 5 key elements. In this series, we'll explore them step by step. Let's begin with the 5 key elements of a website. Part 1. Layout. The layout is the backbone of a website. It decides how information is arranged and how users navigate. Part 2. Color. Color sets the mood. A good color palette creates harmony, highlights important sections, and makes your design stand out. Part 3. Graphics and images. Graphics and images bring life to your design, but remember, too many visuals can distract from the message. Part 4. Fonts. Fonts guide the reader's eye. Stick to simple, readable fonts, and avoid mixing too many styles. Part 5. Content. Finally, content is king. Clear and valuable content is what keeps users engaged. So, the 5 key elements of a website are layout, color, graphics, font, and content. Master these, and you'll be on your way to creating stunning designs.